U.S. stocks posted solid gains on Wednesday, with the Dow adding more than 1%, the S&P 500 climbing more than 0.75%, and the Nasdaq gaining roughly 0.6%. The S&P 500 has now climbed about 8% in 2025, while the Nasdaq has gained almost 9%. Wednesday marked more record-high closes for both. A U.S. trade agreement with Japan helped lift the indices, and the European Union appeared to be headed toward a similar deal. That's according to two European diplomats who said an agreement could include a broad 15% tariff on EU imports. Michael Landsberg is Chief Investment Officer at Landsberg Bennett Private Wealth Management.
The trade deal obviously is good news. I think what happens, I think there's a fear at some point that will a president get deals done, or will he be too hard a negotiator? And the fact that he got a deal done with Japan, I think, again, portends well for what's going to happen with the EU. So I think this is a little bit of a relief rally where people are saying, hey, we're going to get some deals done. Again, I think China is going to be the last one to fall. And I think that's an area where he's going to continue to work on that. But I think it shows that he can get some deals done when crunch time comes.
Stocks on the move Wednesday included Alphabet, which rose about 2% in extended trading after the Google parent beat Wall Street's second quarter earnings estimates. The tech giant cited massive demand for its cloud computing services as it hiked its capital spending plans for the year to about $85 billion. Also reporting after the close, Tesla, which posted its steepest decline in quarterly revenue in more than a decade, with a 12% fall. The EV maker is battling strong competition from cheaper electric vehicles and a backlash against CEO Elon Musk's political views. Shares of Texas Instruments tumbled more than 13% after the semiconductor company's quarterly profit forecast pointed to weaker than expected demand for its analog chips and underscored tariff-related uncertainty. And shares of GE Vernova surged more than 14.5% to an all-time high after the power equipment maker raised its revenue and free cash flow forecasts and beat Wall Street estimates for second quarter profit. GE Vernova has gained over 80% so far in 2025, with power consumption on track to hit record highs due to growing demand from AI and cryptocurrency data centers.